What's your number one stock pick for next year? Palantir. Um, Gosh, there's a conglomerate. If we're being honest, and I don't mean to backtrack what I just said. Let's say you're gonna take 10 grand and whole account something. Hey, what's your number one pick? Palantir would be up there. It's like knee jerk reaction, Palantir. But I gotta say, I might mix it up. I might grab a $10,000 AI pie, and Amazon's going in. Not because Amazon's first, but I'm just surprised Amazon's on the list. Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia. If I had to buy fractional shares of every one of those, fine. I would want some giants in there. I think AI is going to make a name for itself next year. And anyway, I'm not ADing it up. McDonald's, who called it McDonald's? Ricky, any other questions about that? Is this a dividend ticker, or are you trading it? Coming into a weekly zone, just in case you are trying to trade it. I don't know if I would be just that on board buying it right now. I wouldn't short it. I'd wait for some kind of dip to get in. Had a crazy trend up. I'd look for any sellers right here at this level. If it doesn't break below, see right here, hit. Now we kind of pulled above. If it doesn't break below the 280 mark and holds that, bases out, comes up here, bases out, that's when I would buy. Use whatever red wicks it throws off as my stop loss. Better have said you were thankful for me at the Thanksgiving table. Anyway, the AI stuff with OpenAI firing, is it Sam Altman? I always get his name mixed up. And now he's back. There's a lot of speculation. There's some new AI called the Q Star, not Q. I was thinking QAnon at first. I was like, how hilarious would that be? They just toss it all into to the QAnon. Anyway, something called Q Star, and people were thinking he shouldn't put it out as fast as he should to the public. I don't know. And there's a lot of speculation that AGI, artificial general intelligence, was discovered there, and even he tweeted that, but he deleted the tweet. Now it's just like, oh, that's kind of what we're working for, kind of those excuses. AI Sam Altman fired, hired, maybe staying. Yeah. And the thing is, in that time he was fired, Microsoft picked up that ball so fast and said, we got you. Come over here. You want lazy boys? Like, they threw the sink at that guy. What do you want? We actually already have your plaque on the door in case you want to just swing by and see what it looks like. So it might be some rabbit hole thinking, down some tinfoil hat theories to say maybe AGI was discovered. But to have all of that just kind of happen is kind of weird. You don't, like, what are you, a 12-year-old girl? You're 13, you're still in high school? How do you fire CEO, change your mind, come back? How does Microsoft pick them up? Like, no, come over here, we got you. It's like, no, we want you back. Ozempic? What is Ozempic? What does it do? Not to have two conversations at once. But anyway, that's why I kind of think that may be what kind of fuels a little bit of the AI hype for me personally. So just know that I am definitely biased towards the AI stuff. So take that into consideration. If you see me buying AI stuff, what I don't want to happen later is I find out I was just a little too involved in the AI, drank a little too much of the Kool-Aid, and then I find out my ship wandered off. I'm off into the weeds. And that's how people take losses on like AMC, GameStop. They just got a little too drunk on the Kool-Aid, and I don't want anybody following me on that ship that isn't fully there just cheersing the glass with me. Whole team was coming with him. Yeah, that was a lot of weird all at once, At least as I agree something weird was going on there. Yeah, it really was. So that's why I've been kind of slowly jacking around with the AI stuff, just accumulating. I didn't really care. I do think it's coming fast. I told you I think it is coming faster than most people think. But at the same time, I don't want... I haven't been just rushing in to buy at all-time highs, That being said, that kind of lit a little fire, like, hey, maybe I should get a little bit more. I'd rather have a little bit more and ease out, and maybe a little opportunity cost comes with it, than think chasing. Like, crap, I should have just had my luggage on that train, and now I'm just in a bad spot, because you go chasing it, your average just gets higher and higher and higher, and when it does have a decent pullback, you find out you were wrong. It's some of the bigger losses you've ever taken. So that's something I want to be mindful of. yet also, I don't know. I need I can afford to have a little bit more in there. So anyway, that being said, that's where I'm at on the AI train.